Good morning, cyber traders, and happy Wednesday, everybody. Good to see you all back again here. Big day today. Fed announcement coming out. We're going to see how things turn out. Hopefully, everything works out pretty well. I don't know if he's going to lower interest rates or whatever it is, but it's definitely going to be something that we're going to have some fun to see what he does. But anyway, a lot of big things that are coming out. I want to make a couple of quick announcements. First of all, yesterday's Phase 3 class, if you missed it, definitely get a chance to watch it. There was some really good stocks I wanted to talk about. Yesterday, we traded the stock XPRO. I really think a lot of you guys should watch it very closely. The most exciting part of Phase 3 in the afternoons is obviously the last 15 minutes of the close. I always say it every time. You got to hold to the close. And sure enough, that stock worked out pretty well for us. Another stock that did really well was Newegg. Same exact thing. Hold to the close. And what a great run-up of this Newegg. I mean, this stock was at the $30 price range on a swing trade, shot up all the way up to a high of $60. Whoever thought Newegg would be that big of a runner? A $5 stock just in June. Once again, what a great moving stock on that one. But a lot of good moving stocks also. And today we're going to have Phase 3. Part 3 and part 4. So if you're not registered, we're going to post a link up there. And if you can't get in, let us know and we'll show you how to get in. So we got that going on. We got another podcast. Who we got on today? We got Randy Howard that's coming on, a new guest here. We're going to have him on 11. So hopefully everyone had a chance to watch the AJ's podcast yesterday. That also was a great podcast. So just a quick little highlight on that podcast I want to point out that really stand out really well. AJ, obviously been doing this for 20 years. I've been doing it for 35. He actually took my class, when he first got started, found a little niche, did really well. One of the big takeaways that you'll get from that, from that podcast, I think he'll tell you exactly like being here in the cyber group room that you got to have a team, So if you're watching on social media and you want to know, how do I, what am I doing wrong? What's not working out? He said it. He could have said it better than I could. You got to build a team. You got to train your team and you got to work together with your team. If you're sitting home by yourself, trying to analyze things on yourself, it's not going to work out. You're not going to be surviving in this business too long. So hopefully everyone gets that opportunity to find that. So I thought that was a great podcast. So if you missed it, once again, we have the highlights of it. So enjoy it. A couple other things to watch out. Obviously, Randy and Lynn saying, watch the market. Trump says no tariffs on extension on China. Yeah, I think listen, it's right around the corner. Was it August 1st or August 8th? Well, what's the date? Was it August 1st? We got the deal. And also in India, too. India haven't cut the deal yet. August 1st, yeah. Music is still playing. Not on my side. Stop playing musical. All right. So I don't know. We'll see how he plans out. But listen, EU is big. China's big. You know what I mean? Like, listen, they're going to get hit regardless. He ain't playing any jokes. So, we have the EU that did it. I thought we were going to get a little bit more of a run up in the market, but obviously we didn't. But anyway, just don't get too crazy on the swing trades going into the summertime. All right. So a couple of big catastrophes, First of all, does anybody know the symbol of American Eagle? What's the symbol of American Eagle? Anybody know off the top of their head? The clothing store. Was it is that it? Is it AE? It was AEO. No, I think it was American Eagle. It's AEO. Okay, there it is. All right. So obviously everyone heard about. I want you to guys keep an eye on this stock right here. AEO. Yep, that's it. American Eagle Outfitters. Keep an eye on it. Stock obviously took a very little bit of a run here. A lot of scrutiny on that stock really quick on it. A little bit resistance. I don't know if you guys heard. It's all over the news regarding about white privilege, white girl with the jeans. They pulled the article. It's, it got a lot of publicity. It was on every financial station. TikTok people abusing and making fun of the actress. the model that was in the promotion of the new jeans and stuff like that. So listen, catastrophes, scrutiny, sometimes bad news is good news for the market. Yeah, Sydney Sweeney. Yeah, that's her name, right? So anyway, she got a lot of scrutiny. I don't know why. I don't know what the hell this whole thing's all about. But all I know as a trader, when I hear stuff like that, I go to the stock, and that's how we try to trade it. So we were trading it a couple of days ago. It had a nice little move, but I just want to keep it on the watch list, because when I hear things like this on the news and I hear people talking about it, once again, I don't take things personal. I'm not going to tell you how I feel or my political beliefs or whatever it is. All I know, it does affect the stock. And when you get news like that and it gets national attention, it does affect what happens. Listen, we saw what happened with the shooting of the CEO of, U.S. Healthcare, United Healthcare. You saw what happens there. You see it happens all the time with these stocks. So what happened with Tesla, with Elon Musk, joining, Trump and everything else. It's always going to do something. So keep an eye on that. Anyway, a couple of stocks also I want to hip up. Just want to show you what we, for anyone missed any of the stocks yesterday, we had a couple of nice ones. So we said about the XRPO. SoFi was another one, got destroyed. Big run up. Now it came back down. So it looks like on the short side, that one did it. HIMS was another one doing great after they lost that contract with Nuvo and Wagovi and and Zepbound with Eli Lilly. Stock got crushed from 60 down to 40. Came right back to where it started from. So that was a really good slingshot. And the STAI, another one that was really great in the morning. We did well on that stock in class. So anyway, yeah, Richard, Bull, I got out of it. Bull got killed. I got out of it. I started selling it little by little. I got out of it starting 2 days ago, and I got out most of it yesterday. Listen, a lot of us own it right around the $12, $13 price range. I heard it got a little scrutiny. I was looking it up regarding the news on it, but I want to see, earnings are coming out on the 28th of August. We'll see how that thing works out, But anyway, I got out of it. I'm out of it entirely. Kind of sucks because I had a really good profit on it. It was the issue with this stock right here. It had to break May 7th resistance levels, which was at $18. Okay. Got close to it. And you know what? Obviously didn't, but we'll keep an eye on it. Anyway, it's got to hold strong. So flight attendants rejected contract offer. Big news on UAL. You know what? I mean, unless they go on strike, right now you can see UAL is holding pretty strong there. It's a little expensive, though. A little expensive. All right. Anyway, let's look at some of the big runner-ups for this morning. So we got the BGLC. So this stock is making a really nice run this morning. BGLC. Let's go check out the iceberg orders and see what we got going on over there. Here we are. And you got some big orders around 10.50. It just took out a big sell order right here around $9. You see a nice little run. So it's got a big range, $7.50 to $10. Obviously, it's not no category 1. This thing is a category like 3 or 4. So if you're not that high up in the ranking of trading, stay away from it. Ripple, this stock got destroyed. This stock got hammered, $12. What an unbelievable bottom fish from 270 back to 650. It's already filled in the gap fill right there. So I don't know. We're pretty much done with this one. Ripple, we'll keep this we'll keep REPL on the phase 2 B list. SGD moving up pretty nicely. Yesterday had a nice little move. It's moving up again this morning. It's kind of flat right here. SGD up 42%. We'll put that on the watch list. Looks pretty nice. We talked about the Fausto flag a lot, right? Well, here's one right now that's being built. Is it a Fausto flag or a funnel? I think it looks like more like a funnel. All right. Spread's kind of ugly right here. Volume is a little low, 200,000 pre-market. SUPX. We'll put this on the B list. TYGO, nice, cheap, inexpensive stock. Level 1, 31%. Not really moving anywhere right now. It's more on the downside. I might pass on that one. Wing, very expensive. I don't think I ever saw a stock. Wait, I never saw. Do we ever trade the stock before? I don't think we ever traded it before. Anyway, $350 stock. We're going to pass on that one. CRTO is garbage. This one had a big slingshot up and came right back down. Been a really, really nice big mover. 25-cent stock at $1.20. A little cheap. Healthcare company. Put this on the B list. Not really anything super exciting. By the way, the BGLC keeps pushing. Keep an eye on that one. I don't know if anyone, I know some of you here were trading in pre-market, so hopefully you're doing pretty well on that one. The SRPT, I want you to keep an eye on that also. It took a really big hit. Looks like it's probably looking to try to come back. It's got a lot of resistance levels here in July. It's testing. SRPT. Just remember, we know pharmaceutical stocks don't come back. And that pretty much does it there on the most active on the NASDAQ. Newegg, we know why that's coming down. Big run up. A lot of profit taking. Oh, my God, this thing got destroyed. $30 at $1.40. And it still made the losers list from yesterday. Jesus. Yeah, they got some big problems. Big problems. I think there was a lot of manipulation. I think the news on that's what it was, right? Manipulation on it. On the stock, you can see it right here. It was at $5, $30. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll see if anyone's covering on that short squeeze right there. Nuvo, once again, still not looking good on Nuvo. Nuvo is the Wegovy. It's a weight loss drug. That one's not looking good at all. You got to go all the way back, all the way to 2020. A lot of support levels right around $49. So we're almost there. Nuvo. We had Nuvo too. We traded that stock. New York Stock Exchange. You won't find anything in New York. Typical. Fubo TV. I know Josh was a fan of that stock. Fubo. Looks like she's trying to move, but she's up, 9%? Big deal. Losers don't look good right there. All right. Anything I'm missing, guys? Fausto, the market as a whole looks optimistic. I have about 10 different watch lists, and all of them heat maps look very red. Yeah, Gene, overall, the market just in general looks kind of flat. I mean, a lot of the stocks right there. I mean, NVIDIA just keeps kind of creeping up little by little. I mean, that all that money they signed, all that tariff money that got approved, the big beautiful bill that they came out with. It's some of the things are being affected by it. But I'm actually still a big fan of RTX. I actually bought more, just to let everybody know. I mean, listen, they got EU to buy a shitload of military. So this is pretty much one of the only ones that's looking pretty good that's going well with RTX. All right. Hog, Harley Davidson. Yeah, that had a big moves out. Earnings announcements, right? Earnings probably got about another week to go. But I don't know. Not a fan of motorcycles. Nobody's driving motorcycles anymore. I don't know what it is. Nobody cares for them anymore. Nobody's driving them anymore. Hog's got big issues. I have a Harley. I don't even drive it anymore. So I don't know. It's all going to see what happens with the Fed rate this afternoon. So you're going to probably not get too much action going on. Just remember, we do our afternoon meeting regarding the Fed rate. So make sure you're logged in and tune in for the afternoon meeting. We'll see how things plan out. All right, guys, let's get ready for the market opened up. I got to get ready for class. We got phase 3 today in the morning and the afternoon. Busy day today. We also got another podcast. Don't forget to miss that. We'll be live 11 o'clock. The link's up there for you who can get in. If you can't, let us know, and we'll tell you how to get in there. For everybody watching on social media, we'll see you back here at 11 o'clock. Or if you would like to come and join our live trading floor, we are here all day, every day. And I'm going to be doing a live broadcast tonight at 8 o'clock for all of you that can't make it during the day. If you're watching this recording, I'll see you back at 8 o'clock tonight. And I'm going to be doing a live presentation open house tomorrow again at 12 o'clock. So don't miss it. Good luck, everybody. Trade safe. We'll see you all in class.